back to myself. I eating snail. Hi guys, I eating snail. I'm very hungry, so I eating snail tonight. Help me. You just eating snail tonight.
Are you enjoying?
Yeah, but my hands are quite very red. Yeah, but this one I can eat the dirt.
Okay. Is it nice?
Yeah, but the snails,
Are you enjoying your snail?
yes. Yeah, but that is very big.
Okay. Are you enjoying your snail?
Yeah.
Is it fun eating snail?
Yeah. That's when my brother told me things.
Oh, is it? Oh, where did your brother throw your things?
I don't know.
Do you love your brother?
Yeah. Yeah, but what it is inside?
It's very windy today.
But it's raining.
Yeah, it's raining too.
And it's raining.
Do you like rain?
Yeah, because I like rain. Because I don't make muddy puddles too. Potatoes.
Okay. When it rains, what you're going to do after the rain?
I'm going to jump muddy puddles.
Okay.
Tonight.
Yeah, eat your snail quickly. We'll go and jump in the muddy puddle, okay?
What is inside? Hi guys. What is inside? What is inside? What is inside? Oh. No, all empty, Mom.
You're taking out only the empty ones.
Where did that go? We got a new one. What's that? Whoa. Yes, that's better. That is better.
Is it fun?
Yeah. No more. It's really fun eating. It's very fun. Yeah, but I like the rain. Wind can wash my hand, Mom.